How are you guys doing? Welcome to Caribbean Thought. This is Caribbean Thought summer semester. It's July 3rd, 2023. It's 7:13 p.m. I am in the United States of America, Philadelphia, PA, in fact. And the students are in Jamaica, various parts of Jamaica, and this is the online platform or online via Zoom. We're online via Zoom. And we are, and this is the course Caribbean Thought at Jamaica Theological Seminary, one of the oldest evangelical seminaries in Jamaica and the Caribbean. And so we are happy to be back again for another week in Caribbean Thought. The course has started and we are moving quickly. We have about three more weeks left before we end the course, but we have about 6 or 8 more classes. So, but today, last week was quite powerful, and I was telling you guys, Wednesday's lecture, we discussed looking at independence and democracy, and the challenge for the Caribbean, look in terms of preserving democracy, and we looked at Haiti. And we had a guest presenter, that is Mr. Brian Concanen, who is the executive director of the Institute for Justice and Democracy in Haiti, who is a guru, who is a human rights activist, international rights activist who has worked with Haiti on the ground and also here in the U.S. working to lobby, to try to lobby the U.S. and international agencies and communities to do justly with Haiti. But that was part of the presentation. You guys have a homework that you're working on. You should be working on interacting with the presentation. But last week, Monday, we had a class which I have not released. So I released lecture 8, and I dubbed it lecture 7, Caribbean Thought lecture 7, summer semester. That was an error, but that's fine. It will stay there because in fact, that should have been the presentation for lecture 7. And lecture 8 was supposed to be the one on Monday. That was not released yet. That will be released by tonight. It promises to be quite powerful. This one won't have any background music, but it was quite powerful, and I hope you get a chance to listen to the lecture that we did on June 26, 2023. It was powerful. The lecture, and if I should just quickly review a little bit of the lecture, not all of it, because I just finished rewatching it, and I found it to be quite powerful and quite instructive and quite insightful. The lecture was entitled, last week Monday, June 26, was entitled The Caribbean, an Invention of the 20th Century. Sorry, it was the title of last week Monday was the title of last week, and I said if I were to give it a title, it would be in the form of a question. So it would be If the Caribbean is an invention. If the Caribbean is an invention of the 20th century, what will it be reinvented into? And who will lead it in the 21st century? Now, I developed that question and that based after watching the video. You notice how you can, when you read a piece of material or when you observe or watch something, after watching it, as you think about it and get ready to interact with it, you interact with something by asking yourself questions. Say, for example, if you study homiletics, I did homiletics, and in homiletics is the art and science of the art of preaching, communication, but preaching